Good morning, students. Students, today start the miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 3. You know that the question number 1, 2 cos pi by 13 plus cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. So for solving these questions, we need formula. Formula, that is, there are formula 2 cos x cos y. Formula cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. We use this formula. There are 4 formulae. So type second formula, that is 2 sin x sin y, that is cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. And the third formula 2 sin x cos y, that is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. And fourth formula, that is 2 cos x sin y, that is sin x plus y minus sin x minus 5. There are 4 formulae, correct? There are 4 formulae. So in this question we use first formula. In this question we use first formula. Now left hand side, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, pi by 13 minus 9 pi by 13, and rest 2 term as it is, cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13, correct? We apply first formula. In this question we apply first formula, 2 cos x cos y, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Clear? Now simplify the question, that is cos, very simplified, become tan pi by 13 plus cos minus 8 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Correct? This is the solution of this question. Further you can solve cos, you can break, you know very well, cos theta is equal to, you can break like this, pi minus 3 pi by 13. Tan pi by 13, you can break pi minus 3 pi by 13. When you simplify 13 pi minus 3 pi, that is 10 pi. Tan pi by 13. Here cos, you know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x. You know very well. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. So therefore you can write this step, cos of minus 8 pi by 13, it means cos 8 pi by 13. Cos 8 pi by 13. So here you can apply formula, pi minus 5 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. This is the solution. Now simplify. Here you apply formula, you know that formula, cos pi minus theta, that is minus cos theta. Because you know that pi minus theta lies in second quadrant cos is negative. It is the case of 180, therefore t is not changed. So you can write here cos 3 pi by 13 minus, same case here, cos 5 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. We cancel. Result is 0. Result is 0. Clear? So therefore, this is question number first. Very important question. Clear? Now we start question number second. Question number second. Correct? Question number second. Question number second. Question number 2. You know that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Left hand side, apply formula sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y. You know very well, sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So 2 sin, बताइए 3x plus x 4x, 4x divided by 2 2x, 3x minus x 2x, x divided by x, only x remaining. Here apply formula cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y, you know very well formula, minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2. So therefore minus 2 sin 2x, this plus this divided by 2, and sin x, here is cos x. Clear? And when you see that both terms are the same, both terms are the same, so therefore it will be cancelled. The answer is 0. Answer is 0. Next question number third. Third, cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Question number third and fourth same. Question number third and fourth as it is. Question number third and fourth. Clear? Question number third and fourth. Cos x cos y. Apply formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 whole square. Here 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 whole square. Correct? When you simplify, it will become 4 cos square x plus y by 2 cos square x minus y by 2 plus 4 cos square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2. Clear? So this is the simplification. Now can you take common? Which common? Can you take common? Common, you can take common, that is 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common. It will become cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. And you know very well this is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So therefore it will become 4 cos square x minus plus y by 2. This is the right hand side. Clear? This is question number third. Simple question. Third and fourth as this question. Third and fourth. question number after this is question number fifth. You know that in question number fifth we rearrange the term sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. In question number 5, we rearrange the term first. That is necessary. You can write sin 7x plus sin x and sin 5x plus sin 3x. Correct? Write the angle in the descending order. So apply the formula here and here also. Sin x plus sin y, you know very well. 2 sin x plus y divided by 2. 7x plus x, 8x divided by 2, 4x. Cos 7x minus x, 6x divided by 2, 3x plus a same formula, 2 sin 4x and cos 5x minus 3x, 2x, 2x divided by 2, x. Now you can take common. 2 sin 4x common, it become cos 3x plus cos x. Again apply formula. Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y. Simple formula. 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 and cos x minus y divided by 2. The 22 4, that is cos x cos 2x and sin 4x. That is the right hand side. Okay. This is the solution of question number 5. Simple question. Now question number 6. 6 you can solve yourself because you know that. Apply formula sin x plus sin y, sin x plus sin y, cos x plus cos y. Apply this formula, then take common and the solution will come. Question number 7. This is question number 5th. Question number 7. Sin x, sin 3x, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x, that is equal to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This is question number 7. Last question. Very important question. Left hand side. Rearrange the term first. First rearrange the term. X minus sin x plus sin 2x. Because you know that when you apply formula, the term will be simplified. This is the last question. Sin x minus sin y formula. 2 cos x plus y divided by 2. There you go 3x plus x, 4x divided by 2, 2x. And sin this minus this divided by 2. 2x divided by 2x plus open formula sin 2x. Sin 2x formula you know 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x formula. Now take common. Common 2 sin x you can take common. It will become cos 2x plus cos x. 2 sin x. Again apply formula cos x plus cos y. 2 cos this plus this 3x divided by 2 and this minus this x divided by 2. And you know that 22 4 sin x and cos x by 2 and cos 3x by 2. This is right hand side. Clear? Your homework. Do question 1 to 7 miscellaneous exercise and revise example. All examples are very important. Thank you.